Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device is not turning on. So if you tried turning your PC on by pressing the power button, which is located in the top right corner above your keyboard, and it didn't turn on, check if your device is properly connected to the charging cable and the light next to the charging port is blinking or rather is lit up with green color, or it should be blinking once in a while. Now, if it isn't, then the reason is probably that your laptop is discharged, and you should check if your charging cable is properly connected to the AC adapter, and the AC adapter is properly connected to the socket. And you should also check, especially if you're not using an original AC adapter, you should check if it's at least 65 or maybe at least 60 watts of power, but it's better. It works better if you use at least 65 watts of power, as this it's an original power for your power capacity for your laptop. As you can see, mine uses 60.9 watts, which is unfortunately not enough, but still enough to charge it, but not enough when I'm using it, especially when I'm using some power consuming programs on my PC, because it starts to discharge rather quickly. Now, once you plug in the charging cable into your PC, wait for a while until it charges a little, and if even after some time of charging your laptop doesn't want to turn on, that probably means that your laptop was could have been exposed to extremely hot or cold temperatures, and in such cases you may want to leave your laptop to rest for up to 12 hours, just to and then charge it again, and then try turning it on again, and then everything should work just fine. But if even after half of the day of resting your laptop doesn't want to turn on, that probably means that you have some internal issue, that your laptop has some internal issue with its hardware, and you should reach out to either Xiaomi customer support service or maybe nearest repair center, and let them know about your issue, and they will most likely help you out with your problem. And that's it for this video. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.